I want to talk a little bit about grout colors when you're doing a mosaic tile. So take this one for example. We have whiter tile and a tile that has a lot more gray tones in it. So when you're choosing a grout, if you choose a white grout, it's gonna highlight these tones and make these pieces look bigger. If you choose a grayer grout, then it'll make, the ovals look bigger. So you have to think about that when you're choosing a grout. So the ovals would be bigger, but the white would pop more. Alternatively, you could do something like crazy cool, like do a black grout. If you do black grout, then both areas would pop and you'd really see like each shape as its own.